Imagine this: you try to save electricity, you switch off fans, you avoid plastic, you feel guilty about taking one extra flight. But what if I told you 1 billionaire can emit your entire lifetime carbon footprint in just 90 minutes? Yes, that's the claim made by Oxfam, and this isn't just about Elon Musk. This is about the richest 1% versus the rest of humanity. According to reports highlighted by Oxfam, Elon Musk's two known private jets reportedly emitted around 5,497 tons of CO2 in a year. And that is equivalent to hundreds of years of emissions from an average person. And Oxfam says the richest 1% of people are responsible for more carbon pollution than two-thirds of humanity combined. Let that sink in. Two-thirds of humanity versus just 1%. This is not about hating one individual, it's about asking a serious question. Are climate change sacrifices being equally shared? Because while common people are told to use paper straws, eat less meat, and reduce AC usage, private jets are flying multiple times a day. Private jets are among the most carbon intensive modes of travel. One short private jet trip can emit more carbon than an average person produces in months. Meanwhile, developing countries are being pressurized to cut emissions, even when their per capita emissions are far lower. So the real debate comes: is climate responsibility proportional to wealth, or is the burden falling disproportionately on the middle class? But let's also stay rational. Billionaires argue their companies invest in green tech, electrical vehicles reduce emissions, and space and innovation projects drive long term solutions. So here's the dilemma: can someone contribute to clean energy innovation while personally living in a high carbon lifestyle? Is that hypocrisy or a necessary contradiction of modern capitalism? Climate change is real, but so is inequality. If the richest 1% truly emits more than the majority of humanity, then the conversation cannot just be about turning off lights at home. It must also be about luxury emissions, private jet regulations, carbon taxes on the ultra rich, and fair climate accountability. Because saving the planet cannot be a middle class only project. The question isn't whether climate change is real. The question is, who is really paying the price for it?